Hello everyone, I'm Annie here. This video to show you the special sales kit. And actually this kit I make quite sometimes already. I make this one for last year 2020 for the guest designer team project. Is for the for September. I make this since last year September, but have no chance to show you all. Okay, anyway, I will show you what is this. This is the baby romper kit. It's very cute kit, and actually I already forget how many sets I made this, but I remember I already sold some of this kit out, and one is already sent to my guest designer Jennifer for last year September, and I remember Chona already took one set, and Amanda and others. Maybe this is all I left here. This is the pattern here. This is number 1. Okay, I show you the pattern first, so you later you can leave a comment and let me know which pattern you like. This is number 2, and this one all shabby shape, and this one number 3 is a pink. Number 3 and number 4 is almost same, but actually it's different. You can see the difference. Number 3 and this is number 4. Okay, pink. Number 5 is this one. Number 6 is this, like a Tudor pattern in green. Number 7, this one. Number 8 and this one. Okay, let me to show you the kit. Okay, everything is will be the same, so I just show you one kit. Okay, and the cover is I sew it with the printed paper that I made, and underneath I didn't do anything because I also print the paper so you can cut out and glue it by your own. So this one you can see I put a layer of the fiber underneath. It's a bit puffy, so you can make this both sides with the baby. It's so cute. Okay, so this is the cover for this pattern, and the paper I show you first, and I print all these. You can use this as a tag. It's a boy, it's a girl, lovely, sweet, adore, beautiful, and the buttons and the month chart, so you can cut it out. And actually I already forget what I do with this one, because already over a year. And this is a tiny tag. This one, and the baby bottle. Another this, and this is the paper, so you can cut it out to make a tag or whatever. And this one beautiful, so you can fold it and make it as a page for your book. Okay, so many different cute paper. Both sides I print it, so this one you can make a tag both sides. Okay, I print it. This one, okay, and this one you can cut it out. I also print this so you can cut out, so you will have another page to cover your book. This one is a page I already, so you have this page here. All the page is same pattern, so the book, let me see the pattern. Oh yes, I follow this, yeah, the same pattern. Okay, so you can cut this out. I already glue on this, so you cut this one. This one is the page. You got 1 2 3 4, and this 2 pages you cut this one to cover this underneath here. So you cut it out and cover this like so. Okay, cover this page. So you got both sides here. This one cover this page. Okay, this one. So you got this one. All is the pages. 1 2 3 4 pages, and this one is cut it out to make a like a pocket or page to cover on your page. Photo mat. I can say this one is big, so you can use this to cover. You make a photo mat here, and this is the page like so. You glue on it and make a pocket or whatever. So you have different patterns of these. Okay. Oh, this is the paper. So okay, and let me see what you will get from this kit here. Let me check. Okay, this beautiful cute paint and the crochet flower, different color, very sweet color, and the let me see, you got how many? Let me check. Okay, you got this ring, but only one here. Let me see. You should be got 2. Yeah, this one you should be got 2. So yeah, you should be got 2 ring. So you can punch the hole here, so you can put the ring here, or see what you prefer. Maybe you like to punch a hole here, but yeah, just follow your how you prefer. Okay, your preference. Okay, this one put inside in case. This one I already show you the flower, and this one I use the die cut to cut this out for the frame. So let me put candy glue down first. Okay. Yeah, I cut this out, so you can use this as a photo map. Drop it like so. It's so cute. And yeah, let me put this side here. And this one, oh yeah, I give you this one. Yeah, you can use this one and the button. See what you can do. I already forget why I give this one. This one is elastic, so you can use this button. And all this pom-pom trim in the soft color, so you can use this one to cover the edges here like so. I know why the reason that I didn't cover the underneath, because you have to choose the trim that you prefer, so you glue this up and cover underneath. So yeah, this is the reason I didn't cover the underneath for you. So you can cover all these underneath here. Okay, and cover the page. Okay. Yes, already almost forget this kit, and I checked my craft room and see what I have, so I can use all those things to make the kit. And I found this, and this one is one of the, so cute, right? Yeah, you can include this into your project. Okay, so cute. And oh, this one, okay, put together, and some of this trim, and some of this lovely polka dot trim. Yeah, that's it. All this in the kit. And oh yeah, one more thing. And this one, I wrapped this one, is, I believe it is a clay piece. Let me see. I wrapped it so well. Okay, I make this. Okay, so you can use this one to put on your cover page and put the photo, your, yeah, lovely baby photo here. So yeah, all this is the kits here. Now have 8 kits here, and some are already to, yeah, I think that I just make 13 or 8. I already forget how many I made, but now only left 8 kits here. So yeah, just leave me comments and let me know which number you prefer. So you just when you place your order, just included the number. So I will keep it for you. And the postage should be, I will check the postage how much. If for the permanent member, yeah, you can include this into your kit, your money kit, so yeah, it can be save the postage. If, yeah, I will check how much for the postage for the someone, yeah, just buy this kit itself. If, yeah, who already bought the money kit, so I can combine this together with the money kit, so you can save the postage. Okay, yeah, thanks everyone for your stopping by, and